Overview of Elon Musk. The innovator of electric vehicles and space travel is upending the consumer electronics industry with the revolutionary new Tesla Smart TV, which retails for just $179. This surprise launch poses a significant question in addition to being a game-changer for the entertainment sector. How was it possible for Tesla to provide such a groundbreaking product for years at such an unbelievable price? Giants like Samsung have dominated the smart TV market. With every new model, LG and Sony only offer small upgrades like thinner designs or sharper screens, all while keeping prices sky-high. They can easily reach thousands of dollars. However, Musk's entry into this market promises to change that. Why is this smart TV so disruptive and different? We'll go over everything in today's video, so please remember to like, subscribe Core Electrical Engineering Tech, and help us press the like button. Why is it priced at $179? What characteristics make it stand out from the competition? When, where, and how can you get your hands on it? What is so groundbreaking and distinctive about Elon Musk's $179 smart TV? One of the things that sets Elon Musk's $179 smart TV apart from its competitors who are stuck in the past is that it is optimized for home entertainment. For example, LG's OLED G3 offers 4K resolution with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, while Samsung's Neo-QLED QN900C pushes the envelope with 8K resolution in Mini LED technology, but at a far higher price point in terms of display technology. While Tesla's current in-car screens, such as the 17-inch displays in the Model S and Model X, offer impressive 2200 by 1300 resolution, the Smart TV will offer much larger sizes, likely 55, 65, and 75 inches. These will support cutting-edge 4K and 8K resolutions, providing a visual experience far superior to anything in Tesla's vehicles with the 16:9 aspect ratio standard for video content. The in-car screens already use OLED or LCD technology, which has good outdoor visibility and anti-glare qualities. It is expected that Tesla will introduce even more cutting-edge technology to its TV screens, further pushing the boundaries. Better contrast ratios, deep blacks, and color accuracy would be possible with OLED technology. There's also a good chance while Sony's N95L uses Quantum Dot OLED for increased brightness and vibrant colors, and Samsung's Neo QLED uses Mini LED for sharp images even in bright environments, Tesla could use micro technology or even Mini LED for higher brightness and more detailed visuals than traditional OLED. However, these technologies come with, in addition to its striking appearance, it also has heavy price tags. While the screens in TLA cars are limited to 60 Hz and designed for in-car entertainment and navigation, the Tesla Smart TV is poised to elevate the viewing experience with its refresh rate. With anticipated refresh rates of 120 Hz or perhaps 144 Hz, the Tesla Smart TV would be perfect for high-action films. Competition in sports and gaming. Samsung's QN95C pushes the boundaries with a 144 Hz refresh rate, making it stand out in the gaming TV market when it comes to smart features, while brands like LG's OLED C3 already offer 120 Hz with VRR variable refresh rate compatibility. An enhanced version of Tesla OS is probably what the Tesla Smart TV will run on, guaranteeing a smooth, user-friendly interface with voice control through Tesla Assistant. It will also readily connect into Tesla's ecosystem, enabling users to effortlessly access Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services. Additionally, lower resolution material will be enhanced to 4K and 8K via AI-powered upscaling, offering an improved watching experience. One of the most notable aspects that sets it apart from rivals may be the incorporation of Starlink, which provides high-speed internet access independent of conventional cable networks. Companies such as LG and Samsung have proprietary operating systems, WebOS and Tian, respectively, which do not seamlessly integrate with the Tesla ecosystem or smart home configurations. Although it supports Google Assistant, Sony's Google TV lacks exclusive features like Starlink. With Starlink, users may get internet rates between 100 and 250 megabits per second in the majority of locations, guaranteeing seamless streaming, web browsing, and cloud gaming experiences. This connection will also be essential for users in isolated areas without access to regular internet infrastructure, offering a major benefit in terms of audio accessibility. Dolby Atmos surround sound is anticipated to be supported by the Tesla Smart TV, offering a genuinely immersive experience. Additionally, Tesla is probably going to add wireless connectivity to its speakers or sound system in its cars, giving customers more options for how they listen to music. Samsung's NEC LED supports Dolby Atmos and Q Symphony when linked with Samsung soundbars, and rival devices like the Sony N95Lu's Acoustic Surface Audio Plus, where the screen itself serves as a speaker. However, Tesla's integrated technology might provide a more unified and adaptable option. Another feature of Tesla's technology is voice control, which would be fully integrated into the Tesla Smart TV. Using the voice-activated Tesla Assistant already present in cars, customers would be able to operate Tesla devices like the automobile. Using basic voice commands, control the home's temperature and power wall compared to competitors, the Tesla Smart TV would improve the entire Tesla and smart home ecosystem. For example, when you ask the TV to watch Netflix, it will not only launch the app but also optimize settings for the best viewing experience. This feature is similar to Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant, but it would be more deeply integrated into the Tesla ecosystem. Additionally, the TV would be compatible with Matter, the new standard for smart devices, guaranteeing seamless communication with smart lighting locks and other home gadgets. When it comes to connectivity and ecosystem integration, the Tesla Smart TV is superior. For instance, the Amazon Fire TV Omni 2024 has Alexa voice control but isn't as deeply integrated with a car or smart home environment as the Tesla Smart TV. Samsung's Neo QLED integrates smart devices, however it lacks the real-time AI synchronization that Tesla cars and smart energy systems offer. The LG Evoque G3 lacks Tesla's AI-powered content optimization, which adjusts to user preferences, but it does support Google Assistant and Alexa. Tesla's approach to smart TV design places an emphasis on functionality and simplicity. Its ultra-thin bezel, which is anticipated to measure about 2 mm and would be larger than the Samsung Neo QED 2024's bezel of 3 to 4 mm, is one of its key design features. This design decision improves the screen-to-body ratio, which could reach up to 99%, providing an immersive viewing experience with an almost bezel-less screen. The LG OLED Evo G3's bezel-free design produces an endless viewing experience that goes well with Tesla's minimalist aesthetic. The Tesla Smart TV's adaptable installation choices are yet another distinctive feature. Similar to the Samsung Zero TV, the screen is anticipated to have an automatic rotation system that will enable the TV to smoothly switch between landscape and portrait orientations. This feature is perfect for vertical video content on platforms like Instagram or TikTok and is anticipated to include a quieter motor and AI or voice command control. The TV will also have wall mounting capabilities using magnetic installation technology, which is comparable to LG's One Mount solution. Cutting down on setup time and guaranteeing a neat, space-saving installation. Regarding privacy, the simple stand will be constructed from recyclable aluminum, mimicking the eco-friendly components seen in Tesla automobiles. Tesla sets itself apart by providing reliable data to manage. Elon Musk has long stressed the value of privacy, and the Tesla Smart TV is a leader in privacy-friendly technology since customers will have complete control over their data and there won't be any intrusive tracking or advertising. This commitment to user privacy distinguishes Tesla from other tech firms, enhancing its standing as a customer-focused business. What qualities do you value most in a smart TV? If sound and image quality are your main concerns, please leave a remark. Second, leave a comment expressing your thoughts about smart features like voice control and integration with electric cars. Don't forget to subscribe to remain up to date on what sets Tesla's Smart TV apart and why is it only $179? Curve 2. What makes Tesla's Smart TV unique and why is it only $179? Tesla's $179 Smart TV is the outcome of innovative production techniques and a conscious emphasis on efficiency through the use of recyclable materials. The Tesla reduces expenses without sacrificing quality. The frame of the TV might be composed of recycled aluminum. Using alloys rather than more expensive stainless steel or premium polymers can save up to 15% on material costs. Moreover, Tesla's expertise with high-definition screens in its cars is a natural fit for the production of smart TVs. Supply networks and a further 5 to 10% reduction in production costs make this efficiency even more enhanced by Tesla's gigafactories, which are well known for automating production procedures and drastically cutting labor and operating costs, a strategy akin to their economical battery manufacturing. Additionally, economies of scale are crucial. By tightly controlling the supply chain from raw materials to completed goods, Tesla's strong infrastructure, backed by its gigafactories, guarantees high-yield manufacture of parts like circuit boards and TV frames at prices 20 to 25% cheaper than traditional factories. Similar to Xiaomi's approach, Tesla cuts out middlemen for its mid-foray while maintaining an even more aggressive pricing point in comparison to rivals like the Amazon Fire TV 2 series and the Xiaomi Mi TV 4a, both of which are priced at about $199. Although Tesla's smart TV offers unparalleled ecosystem integration, there are trade-offs associated with its low pricing. As part of its transition to fully autonomous vehicles, Tesla may offer optional subscriptions for sophisticated AI features or ad reviewing. How, when, and where can I purchase a Tesla Smart TV for $179? When, where, and how can I obtain software? 3. The $179 Smart TV from Tesla. The second quarter will see the release of Tesla's Smart TV. Limited pre-orders for the 2025 launch will commence in the late first quarter. Before reaching regions like Japan and Southeast Asia, the global rollout will start in important markets like the US, Europe, and China. This staged strategy enables Tesla to assess demand and handle possible early supply challenges on a plan. Sales will mostly happen via Tesla's official website, which allows buyers to place online orders and select delivery or home installation choices. This is something that Tesla has improved with prior product releases. To increase its reach, Tesla also intends to display the Smart TV in its retail locations in key cities, giving customers a hands-on experience. Although production will rely on Tesla's current gigafactories, with some facilities repurposed to manufacture TV components, the company may work with third-party platforms like Amazon to leverage their large customer base and logistics network. However, initial supply constraints are anticipated because high demand may exceed Tesla's capacity to produce and ship units quickly. Clients, depending on where they live, delivery periods could range from 6 to 8 weeks. The Smart TV will come with a 2-year hardware guarantee that covers repairs or replacements for manufacturer defects, which is a familiar situation for people who have previously acquired Tesla items. Moreover, Tesla provides unhappy consumers with a 30-day return policy. Tesla's AI-powered support will handle software and connectivity problems, guaranteeing strong post-purchase help. These steps are intended to build confidence and provide a smooth ownership experience, enhancing Tesla's standing as a high-quality and innovative company. What most excites you about Tesla's Smart TV is its pricing, features, or interaction with the Tesla ecosystem. Do you believe this TV might surpass traditional industry standards? The $179 Smart TV from Tesla is more than just another gadget. It's a bold statement that innovation and affordability can coexist. The Giants, please share your ideas in the comments section and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. To ensure you don't miss any of our most recent updates, hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the upcoming video.